Hi guys, it's still snowing. It's been a terrible day out here today. Absolutely terrible. We were inundated with flatlanders coming up from the city because Highway 80 and Highway 50 are closed because of the snowpack. So some idiot put on TikTok, whatever the hell that is, that if you cut through my town, it'll take you to Lake Tahoe. No, that is not true. We don't have anything that goes through our town. And we were inundated with hundreds and hundreds of cars. Hundreds. They were pulling into our driveways. We had my car right there. We had a family of Russians parking there, sitting in their chairs, sledding on our property. We chased them off, of course. Our son is still plowing. Still plowing. I don't know how many feet we've gotten now. It was 8 inches when we woke up this morning, so I don't know how much we have now. I just put all the animals to bed. Actually, they were already in bed. I didn't have to. All I had to do was lock their door. But this is what it looks like out here at night. We are expecting another 3 to 4 feet. I hope they are wrong. But it's just so beautiful. It's cold. It's only 22. It's very cold. The high today was 28. And I've had a lot of questions. No, I do not put a blanket on my horse. I never have. She just gets a very thick, very curly, woolly coat. And she's in her stall. But we have been, the guys have been plowing all day long. All day long. Our homesteading neighbor next to us, as you can see the light, he's been plowing since 8 o'clock this morning as well. We lost power once, and it came back on pretty quick. But this is a very, very wet snow, very heavy. And it's still coming down now like crazy. So I guess we will see in the morning what Mother Nature is giving us. Very, very cold, very cold. I'm just shaking. But all the men are still out. I made a huge buffet for everyone. But all the homestead men are still out working past dark. Kudos to you guys. You're awesome. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to get back in the house. But I made a whole bunch of food. And our son that lives way down in the canyon below had to get up here with snowshoes. It's too deep for his four-wheel drive. Alrighty. Man, oh man. And we noticed a lot of trees are starting to lean. Gonna keep an eye on those tonight. But it's just gorgeous. Absolutely nice up here. If you like this kind of weather. Oh. Oh my God. It's freezing, guys. Be safe.